Susan here, and I am so excited to introduce you to this new double layout paper kit, Bloom, that is perfect for spring. And I'm also excited for spring. I don't know about you guys, but I get to this point in the winter and I'm looking forward to things blossoming and just spring in general. So this one really reflects a lot of those colors and feelings that we often relate to when it's springtime. Let me show you really back first. On the back of the insert, we do provide a couple of ideas, so make sure to check those out. They're to inspire you to use them as a springboard, but also just to show you how we personally use the patterns to layer together to give you some reflection as far as that as you are personally designing your layout. So you can see there's two different layouts here. Both of these were designed with this double layout kit. So both of these came from this double layout kit. So if you wanted to recreate basically what you see here, you would be able to with this one layout kit. And we do give some recommendations as far as some designer templates that we think work great with this kit. If you have them, great. If you don't, you can absolutely talk to your Kiwi Lane instructor to order these to add to your collection. Now, if you don't quite, you love this look, but you don't quite have, or you don't have Madison Avenue as one of the borders, that's okay. Utilize the borders that you do have. Instead of placing a Madison Avenue 1A, 1B here, place the one that you do have. So that's the look at this, and a reminder to use these ideas to inspire you, but also as a springboard for inspiration as far as how to use the layout kit that I'm about to show you. Okay, so for this double layout kit, and like all of our other double layout kits, we have designed them to create two-page layouts. So because of that, you do get two similar patterns. So for this one, you get this really light teal, and then even this more navy blue. Not really navy, it's more of a grayish blue. So it's a really pretty blue that I think really complements and really allows your pictures to pop, like you see actually in this layout here. I just feel like those pictures pop so well off of that blue. So that's one of the options that you have available to you. And again, you can make two one-pagers. You can do a two-page layout. You can do whatever you want, DIY crafts, however you want to utilize this. But also you get, in this one, it's this kind of nice warm pink. And then even a lighter, more minty teal color on this side. So those are your two options. So you will need to choose which backgrounds speak to you or work perfectly for whatever memories that you're scrapbooking. Okay, also inside of this kit, you're going to see different patterns. And again, these can go together depending on what you're scrapbooking, or what we would recommend is you would use this on one layout and this on another. But ultimately they do go in the same kit. And then you have this supporting one that really works great with, you can see with this flower, or with this butterfly. So again, just referencing back to the samples that I was showing you, you can see here at the top, this one has more of that butterfly feel, and this one uses that really fun flower print that you see. Now, you'll notice that actually the sporting one, which is on the back of the flower, could be implemented into the sample. So much more variety that you can do, and I think that's what's so fun, is to see what everyone takes a kit and makes it their own. And the variety is there for you to play with, but at the same time, we made sure to include enough patterns that give you that theme and the busyness, but not too busy, because what we've found over time is that with patterns, the hardest time that people have is trying to figure out which patterns to work with what and what to layer with what. So that is why we put a lot of, I guess, thought and love into each of the kits that we do, because before they even go to mass printing, we do a sample run, we put it through the ringer and we test it out, and if it doesn't work, we go back. So a lot of time goes into putting these kits to make sure that effectively they don't get too overwhelming, but that you also have those supporting patterns to allow you to do some accessories, photo mats, variety of options there. So as you can see, and then we also have this yellow one. It's really pretty pink if you want it to be more pink. So look how pretty that would be. See, that's another just fun layering option there. And then of course you have these other ones. I mean, I'm thinking even you could do pop of this yellow for your secondary layout. Let's throw a piece of pink in there. Again, you'll see that those selections were even different from the selections that you see on the back of the insert. So that is a fun variety of here to be laid out on your pattern. So let's see, even if we did, okay, so these would be your background, maybe pop up some cream white that you see in this polka dot, and then having these really stand out and be kind of your main components. A border, maybe another border, a fun border, some simple flower embellishments or butterflies, and then of course you can throw in maybe some of this darker as well. Now on the back of this one, you will notice that down here at the bottom, this one is designed a little bit different than some of our other sentiments, but gives you that space to really add and play to create your own titles. So you'll see that we have bloom, and you can cut each of these circles out, and live life in full, bloom, bloom, where you're planted. So maybe you cut out these tags and put them right underneath the bloom. So have fun with that. And the same thing, sweet spring, you can layer maybe this one on top of this one to give you that title effect on your page. And so a lot of ways that you can incorporate these small little elements to complement some of these other main, you can say, titles and things like that. So this one was designed to really inspire you to play to create with your journaling and titling that you put onto your projects. So I'm excited to see what you guys think about that. And then of course you got little different elements that you can put in the center of small flowers or things like that. Could even be cute with a little brad in the middle with the extra layer as well. So hopefully I got your wheels spinning. Like I said, we want to make sure that these kits are easy for those that are looking for just a simple layout to put together. Look at the ideas that you find on the back of the insert. But for those that maybe want a little bit more of a challenge, the variety and inspiration to play to create is there as well. So we're excited to see what you create with our new Bloom double layout kit.